Hi guys, this is Rals. Welcome to my balcony and welcome to Inside Jungle channel. This week's videos is gonna be a very short one because I have a lot of other things to attend to and because I'm quite sad. I'm quite sad because of both my avocados. As you can see, one is doing extremely well from the point of view of growth and the other one is not doing good at well. Actually, the other one, the one from the right, was not doing well from the very beginning. It had a hard time growing and developing leaves, and the leaves are always curled, like always curled, as you can see. On top of it, what this little fellow has a mealybugs problem, and because of the mealybugs, look here, the leaves got this kind of rust and it's affecting the plant big time. Now why I'm sad, because of the other beautiful avocado tree. This is very beautiful, is doing well in terms of growth. Because of mealybugs, he also developed a rust, and then for some reason it turned into a hole in the leaf. And I tried a few things. I tried, to be very honest, first of all, I have an insecticide spray, and my first remedy was that one because I hate the mealybugs. They are white, flashy. They like to stay in the armpits of the plants and in all the crevices they can go. They are just disgusting, and if you kill them they are a little bit red, their blood is red, so they are they quickly become an infestation, so they are horrible on your plants. So um, I tried the insecticide first of all. I tried it 2 weeks in a row and they still came back. And after that, I went online, of course, and I looked. Some of you have tried the oxygenated water remedy. I did that, they came back. Then I tried to just simply wash them under a powerful water jet under the shower, and they came back. I'm really upset because of that. I don't want them to go to my other garden. You know how many plants I have on my balcony, so I don't know what to do. I kept this one for weeks separately, so I put it in the other room just next to a cactus, and still developed uh, the very irritating bugs. And this one is in between my calamansis, on my calamansi or citrus garden, if you may, on the balcony, and it got mealybugs as well. Not as often as this first fellow, but he got it as well, and I got panicked, and I tried one more time the treatment with the oxygenated water. Let's see if they will appear again in a few days time. I do not know what I'm gonna do. I keep on seeing in other videos and reviews that mealybugs come back, and I see remedies with dishwasher soap, but they are not effective. I mean, you wash them with dishwashing soap, or you wash them with plain water and they still come back, so it's the same result. Insecticide is not working, oxygenated water is not working for me, and I do not have access to those good insects that you buy, and they fly around your house and around your plants, but they eat the fungus, the white flies, the infection, right? And to be very honest, although that's a very effective method and a natural method, the one with the green flies, I don't know their name, that comes and eat these mealybugs, I do not like the idea of having some other type of bugs around my house and flying in my house, because I'm not very fond of insects, to be very honest with you. So if you know what to do to save these trees, or at least this one, please do let me know. Write into the comments. I really need your help. Tell me something that it works, and some sort of substances that are easy to obtain. I think I'm gonna have to let go to this guy. If this is the main problem of mealybugs, then I'm going to let him go. He is truly struggling, and if you can see, not even the top leaves they don't have a nice color. They are slightly discolored, and they start curving. This one starts curving as well. So to be very honest with you, from the very beginning, from the moment he came out from the seed, he had this poor look about him. This is how the avocado seed looks now, right now. As you can see, it's drying, and it is a very shame because look, it developed a little bit of bark, and it's quite thick right now. So I'm sad, but if it's not growing, I'm gonna have to let him go. I have so many other plants, healthy plants, that are doing well, and they need my love and attention, that if this guy really struggles, maybe something, I don't know, genetically wrong with him, so I might have to let him go very soon. This guy, actually it's two of them, hope you can see where it is. Okay, hope you can see. This is how the avocado seed looks like. It's quite a few weeks younger than the other one, and it's two stems from the same seed. I'm gonna let them like this until I see that they're struggling and they need to be separated, or maybe the small one removed, because they do have the same root system. But look, this is gorgeous. This is a beautiful plant to have in the house, not for the fruits necessarily, because it takes 8 to 10 years to give fruits indoors, but for the lush green that it has. It just shouts tropical. I'm a tropical plant. I'm beautiful. Look at me. I'm luxurious. Look at me. So I really want to keep these guys, and I really hope that the mealybugs will not come again, because they annoy me and they scare me, because they can go to my other plants and I don't know what to do then. So for now, I'm gonna keep them in the living room, not on the balcony. I'm gonna separate them again from the plants, both of them, and maybe you're not gonna see this guy over here in my videos ever again. I'll decide this week. I have to take care of my good plants. Okay guys, sorry for my sad story. I have to let go to one of my plants, and please help me with mealybug solutions if you have any that work. Please write it in the comments. I'm waiting for your answers. I'm looking forward to your opinions and your experiences. Until the very next time, next Friday, as usually. Green thumbs get dirty. Green thumbs get dirty, guys. It's a pleasure to work with plants. And you can see the plane crossing. Okay, now maybe you can hear myself. A lot of love, lots of blessings, and healthy plants with no annoying insects. Bye bye.